Tired of being what you want me to be, feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me, but under the pressure of walking in your shoes, every step that I take is another mistake to you. I've become so numb, I can feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this, all I want to do is be more like me and be less like you. And be less like you. Can't you see that you're smothering me, holding too tightly, afraid to lose control? 'Cause everything that you thought I would be is falling apart right in front of you. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. And every second I waste is more than I can take. I've become so numb, I can feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this, all I want to do is be more like me and be less like you. Easy now, no need to go down. Easy now, no need to go down. Rock that run, that's where we're from. Whoop whoop when you run, come around. 'Cause now you're the talk of the town, yeah. Now you're the talk of the town, yeah. Now you're the talk of the town. Whoop whoop when you run, come around. Whoop whoop when you run, come around. 'Cause now you're the talk of the town, yeah. Whoop whoop when you run, come around. Whoop whoop when you run, come around. Easy now, no need to go down. Just walking gently and you're breaking a bone. Cool NDT, you have a style of your own. The saxophone, this is sound at the top of the tone, yeah. I'm a record when you run, come around, yeah. Make a move, make me whole body bubble. Let me know, so you're trouble when you're ready for the rebel and hit that. Nothing, make play with it a little. Why you so naughty? I'm telling you to hit that. Nothing, make stay with it a little. Why you so naughty? I'm feeling them. When you run, come around. When you run, come around. Don't remind me. I'm minding my own damn business. Don't try to find me. I'm better left alone than in this. It doesn't surprise me. Do you really think that I could care if you really don't like me? Find somebody else, it could be anyone else out there. Don't fret, I don't ever wanna see you and I never wanna meet you again. One day, when you're angry and shaking me, you treat me like I'm worth nothing. I'm minding my own damn business. Don't try to find me. I'm better left alone than in this. It doesn't surprise me. Do you really think that I could care if you really don't like me? Find somebody else, it could be anyone else out there. Don't fret, I don't ever wanna see you and I never wanna meet you again. One day, when you're angry and shaking me, you treat me like I'm worth nothing. I could stick around and get along with you. Hello, oh, oh, oh. It doesn't really mean that I'm into you. Hello, oh, oh, oh. You're alright, but I'm your darling to enjoy the party. Don't get too excited, cause that's all you'll get from me. Yeah, I think you're cute, but really you should know. I just came to say hello. Hello. Messed up with you. Hello, oh, oh, oh. I'ma let you try to convince me to. Hello, oh, oh, oh. It's alright, I'm getting busy just in case.
Check, check.
It's okay with me.
Trader Green, can you hear me?
Something you should know. I just came to say hello.
Alright, I sent you an invite on Discord. See if you can accept that and... okay. Alright, let me see. Interesting. Channel locked. Oh, I see. Alright, try again. I just gave you permission. There we go. Does your mic work? You there? See, you're here, I just can't hear you. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, you're not muted here. Try to go out and go back in one more time. It's working now, I think. There we go. Yeah. Pretty low, but let me get rid of this music. All right. Keep talking. All right, there we go. Okay. Yeah, you're good. All right, so let's choose a. I'll let you choose it. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna go to playback and just pick a day that we don't have on here already. So anything after the 27th. That way I haven't done it before. Not that I remember it anyways, but pick a day, the 2nd through the 6th.
Let's go with the 4th.
4th, there we go. 4th. Go here.
I'm having a weird audio issue because I'm hearing you say something once and then you say it a second time, like it's I'm getting 2 audios here from you, so I gotta mute you on one of these, I think.
Yeah. You probably need to mute the stream one, the YouTube one, because you'll just hear me on the with no delay on Discord. All right, so 3-4. And let me go back here. 3-4. Let me go to the time. New York open 9:29:50. Take it off for 5 seconds. All right. So I'm gonna put this down here, and then let's just kind of do. You there?
Yeah.
All right. Let's just do kind of a top-down. I'll bring these down, but here, 5-minute. Looks like this. This is our protected low, obviously in a uptrend. Alright, That's 5. 15 minutes. Same thing. We did get a closure down here, so this was the protected high. We took that out. We tapped back in. We're up. So, did we get... We did not get 50%. So I'm looking at this as a form of liquidity here to go back down. So overall, boom, boom, okay, protected low here. And then look at hourly. Hourly is a little different. We do have a close down here, which made this the protected high up here. And we have not taken that out yet. And then in terms of the zone, I mean, we're up to the 70% piece. So, just stop me whenever you want to add something or ask a question or whatever.
Yeah, I mainly just want to see some of the zones that you're just doing. I mean, I get the gist of it. I've been watching you long enough to understand kind of the zones you're looking at. I'm just playing with a couple strategies here.
Okay.
Yeah, obviously, the thing is, man, I'll start getting a winning strategy, and then I'll start fucking with it. And I'm like, what are you doing?
Right.
Like, I'm messing with it, man. Just stick with those. Dude, I was trading 90% win rate on a 15-second. I was using 1-minute levels with a 15-second chart for entries. And I was trading 90%. And I was crushing it. Then all of a sudden, I started digging around with stuff. And then it's like, I just started blowing accounts. I'm like, dude, what is your problem? You get a trade every 5 minutes. You're trading at 90% accuracy. And then you start messing with stuff. It's crazy shit, man. It's the mental game for me. Like, I've been doing this shit long enough. I know a lot about it, but it's the mental side that just jacks me up.
Yeah. Well, welcome to the club.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm wondering. I might mess around and see if I like 15 second. Why do you prefer 15 over 5?
The 5's just not quite enough information for me.
Okay.
I can still get a decent confirmation. And then I'm very into measured moves. So I look for my failure, like a confirmation that it's going to go. I draw a quick fib. I have some tools that I had AI help build for me.
Yeah.
I draw a fib. Like this is all really quick, right? So the fib I have is actually dynamic. It actually moves with price. And then it locks in after the second bar. So I'll draw my fib and I put my entry right at 25%. And I take 25% down to a 50% extension. And then my stop is just immediately above where I anchored the fib originally.
Damn.
And that was extremely accurate.
Yeah.
And like I started messing with shit. And so I got to get myself back into stop messing with shit, go back to what was working just 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
And get squared away. But I wanted to see your levels though too, because I wanted to see if I want to make some adjustments as far as pulling. Because right now I'm using some moving averages. It's kind of like my one of my zones, if you will.
Mm-hmm.
In correlation with price, and then my VWAP. I love VWAP. I'll never get rid of VWAP. So that's just what I'm doing. I'm just wanting to see some of your price levels and what you're looking at, where you're seeing the most accuracy. And then also too, want to ask you, like, when you're building accounts, if you've recognized what it is that's causing that. Like, I mean, when you're winning, obviously you know what's working. Have you really identified when you blow an account, like what it is?
Oh yeah.
Wrong?
Oh yeah. That's me being stupid. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna try for this. I'm gonna try the 15 second, just kind of see how it works for me. But all right. So we're 5 seconds away from open. I'm gonna go ahead and hit play, and then if you start talking, then I'll just hit pause, or I might just hit pause on my own. But looking at this as it is right now, I feel pretty damn confident that we're coming to this, over here on this 5 minute, that we're probably coming down and going to take this overlapping candle area, which is, 839. So let's just go and see.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go on with 10. All right.
Order filled.
No, that didn't. And we did take it. I didn't exit out of it, but I'm just gonna work with this. So back into this zone up above. And this was kind of looking like we might take the highs. So I'm going to have to manage this. And you can add shit on your, because you're a lot more knowledgeable on this VWAP than I am. So now what I'm looking at, if I'm in a position and I'm looking, so I'm in a position, I'm obviously got drawdown, because I didn't get out at my piece where I said it was 839. I only got out a half of it. So I'm going to be watching right now on this 15 second. You know, we've got this low down here put in this high. And so far, this low has got a failure up here. So I'm possibly looking to come back to 50% on this wick. If not, come back into the fair value gap. But let's... Alright, so there's 50% of the wick. We do have a failure up above, but that's really no basis to go short yet. Alright, so now we do have a closure up above, so now I'm putting this zone down below. And I'm targeting, if we come back in here, probably to come down to this 30% at a minimum.
Order filled.
So let's just kind of see.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Alright. So
Order submitted.
might have been a little ahead of my time here.
Order submitted.
But let's see. So we're targeting for this 30%. And this still could pop up and go, but it didn't. So let me see if we get this to come on down. I was going to put a trailing stop, but it didn't allow me to. Alright, so I'm going to come down here. Now that we've already kind of done this, I don't want to get double bottomed here. We still have a failure here. Now the question is, are we coming down to the 50%, or are we going to take off and mitigate this wick back here? We've got this wick and this. And I'm watching that 15 second. So we still have a protected low down here, which has not been violated. Alright, this is looking kind of bullish. Alright, we got that wick on the 1 minute. Another failure up above. Back to...
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, so I'm in 10. We did blow this out, so that's...
Order submitted.
Interesting. We did see on this 15 second, I mean, this is still bullish. Everything's bullish. The protected low down here has not been violated. We got a top or a high back down here. Even on the micro, on a lower time frame, we have this. Let's see here. This low, then we got this high gave us this low. So we're kind of looking at these highs, a closure above these highs, and we're definitely full on bullish. Now what looks really bullish to me is we had this nice move and then up. So we got a new higher high on this leg, and we swept that, and now we're going above it. So I'm kind of thinking we're coming up possibly for a move higher, but let's see. If we take out this with a close below it, then I'll change my attitude.
Order filled.
Okay, so 2050 is kind of the number I'm watching. We do have this overlapping candle back here. It is bullish, kind of what I thought.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see if we can get some numbers
Order
back to
filled.
this overlapping
Order
candle.
Order submitted.
If not, I'll just have to manage what I got. And it's looking bullish. Alright, so let me pause it here. So now we've got this low put in this high, this low put in this high, this low. We don't have the closure yet, but it would be this low would be responsible for this if we do get this closure. Another failure kind of at the top. And, you know, if we look at this, so we haven't even mitigated this wick yet at 33. But let's see. Still bullish looking.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Wick down before I put that in there.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright, I think we're coming back for this overlapping candle, possibly. Even though it is deeper than 50%. That's the part you got to watch out for. It is deeper than 50%. We are forming another overlapping candle here, and now we're getting follow through up. Let's see, we've got a failure here. So we still have a failure over this wick back here.
So one of the tools that I had AI build me,
Yeah.
I have a thing, I call it sessions. So I've got like the London high, the London low, Asia high, Asia low, and then New York AM high and low, New York London high and low. And it's interesting to watch how price reacts consistently throughout the day around those levels.
Uh-huh.
And how about support and resistance all throughout the day. It's a cool tool. Like that's like where we're at right now. It's right around. Well, we just went above the London high, and now we just went below the London low, or below the London high.
Yeah, I need to start marking that out.
It's really, when you see how price responds, like I said, throughout the day, you'll be like, wow, that's important shit to know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now we just went back below the London, although VWAP is going to put up a little bit of a fight here. Now that we went back below that London high, that's telling me there's a good chance we're going to test this Asia level here at 804.25.
804.25. Okay. Yeah, I need to look more into that. So here we go here. So I'm going to be looking for this overlapping candle at some point.
Order submitted.
Especially since we just tapped back
Order
into
filled.
that. Yeah. So
A little ahead of you. Sorry if I gave up.
No, you're good. I didn't even, yeah. We tapped this overlapping candle here. So looking at this low put in this high. So we're moving our protected low up here. Now on this one, same thing. This low put in this high. But individually on these, we could be looking at this low, putting in this high too. So let's kind of follow that. We got 30 seconds to go. This might come all the way back down to...
Order submitted. Order filled.
There we go. Alright, so now we're back into this. Probably targeting the 50%. Yeah. But we did just tap into this fair value gap, so let's see. Alright, we're getting a kind of a failure possibly on the 15-second. And with a move like this, if we get a bullish move, then I'm probably looking to take this overlapping candle right here. But let me see. If it continues... Alright, so right here, I would feel pretty comfortable going for like a 924-ish or so. Worst case scenario, I've got this and I'll manage it. Alright, so we didn't even tap into that. The fair value gap declined us. Possible overlapping candle building right here. And we are bearish. Bearish, bearish. Let's see if we get a new move down. Didn't quite get the high here.
Yeah, that opening candle was super bullish, so we might still hold there, but I wouldn't be surprised to see it sweep either.
Right. Alright, so
Order
now
filled.
I'm
Order filled.
thinking
Order
get
submitted.
out of one there and
Order
come
submitted.
back here. But this might continue down. This is responsible for this one down here, so let's watch that. Getting another failure here. We got to start getting closures above these wicks.
Order filled.
Alright, so now,
Order
there we
filled.
go.
Order filled.
Maybe
Order
this
filled.
overlapping candle possibly. It is beyond 50%, so those are a lot tougher to hit, but let's see if we can get it.
Order filled.
There we go.
Order filled.
Alright, so up over 1162, we're 7.5 minutes in. It met the overlapping candle here. We're still bearish. This wick responsible for this closure below. Hold on, let me pause this and see. I think Arnold's... Oh, Law's in the house. Alright, cool. Arnold, what's up? What's up? What's up? Alright, if y'all got questions or whatever, just post away. Alright, let me move this by mistake. Yeah, I want to look in more into what you were talking about with the session highs and lows and stuff. I haven't really been using those.
I'm telling you, when you do your back testing and stuff, you just look at the chart and you go, oh shit, it just plays those levels all throughout the day.
Yeah.
And there's some days, obviously, you know, you get one of those like mega trend days or something where it just goes and goes and goes. So that doesn't matter. But when you start really seeing these levels and they're on your chart all throughout the day, and you're just like, whoa, that is okay. That's something to definitely pay attention to.
Right.
And it's kind of like even with VWAP, you know, my whole thing with VWAP and even these different levels, these are all destinations. right? So where I found that where I get myself tripped up sometimes is I start trying to trade, let's say for instance it's like the lunch low or something, right? Price is kind of playing around with that level. That's just where I want to stay out. You know, price has reached its destination. Now it's going to consolidate and do whatever it's going to do from there. So just having these different levels, it's like, okay, do I want to get in a trade here, or is it already gone to its destination?
Right.
And when I look at it that way, it changes everything.
All right, so then I'm looking at this 5 minute. There's still a good chance that we come down to this at 850, 875, and possibly down here to 808 or 807.50. But let's see. Let me move this up out of the way. Alright, here we go. Alright, so we tap this overlapping candle. I'm watching this wick up here to see if we get a closure above this, a failure, or whatever. This wick is still...
Order failed. Order submitted. Order failed. Order submitted.
It's still hanging in here. This overlapping candle down here, which we've already hit.
Order
But
failed.
we just hit again. Now I'm kind of thinking about maybe this
Order
wick
failed.
down here.
Order submitted. Order failed.
Alright. So this high stayed intact. And then the wick below us to the left here looks like it's already been mitigated. If we get a move down here, then we're probably coming for these lows. Alright, now we got this wick up above.
Order failed.
This is kind of
Order
looking
failed.
like we might be...
Order submitted.
Let's see if we get this to come down. A little bit of drawdown. We did not take out this, which is what I was really hoping we would do.
Order failed.
Let's see how
Order
this responds.
submitted.
It's the south stream there, which it's just kind of getting to right now.
Stop the stream?
Yeah, right there. It's there now. I want to see how it responds here. It'll tell me if it's going to take the low or not.
Alright, so if we take this, then I'm putting 15 at the middle of this wick, but then I'm putting
Order
another
submitted.
5 down here.
Order failed.
Alright, so we grab those. Let's see if we take this out. Alright. Okay, now let's see if we get this to come all the way
Order
down.
failed.
There we go. Okay. Alright, so we're at 1561 and we're a little over 10 minutes in.
Holding point on the 15 seconds. See how there's two gaps there? You got the gap that's higher up, and you got some consolidation, you got another gap. I'm expecting this lower gap here to get filled, and we're going to come test back into this consolidation area. But that upper one's going to more than likely hold.
What gaps? You talking about the fair value gaps?
Yeah.
So this green one here and this red one here?
Where you at?
This red one here and this green one here?
Yeah, that lower one that's kind of like where we're down by the stream there on the VWAP.
Yeah.
They get filled, but the upper one is where all your strength is. And like in my experience, they go to the 15-second chart.
Right.
Again, usually trade the open because there's just so many sweeps. You know, price is just moving so fast. But typically, I expect that lower one to get filled. It'll tap into that consolidation, and it'll move further down from there.
So what I would look at this, if I'm seeing this order block, you know, from here down, this order block is responsible for a break of structure. So this is very powerful, and we should see some type of reaction off of this.
Agreed.
We already tapped in a little bit. We didn't even come down to the 30 though. But yeah, some type of reaction. So let's see. Yeah.
Also, it'll retest the river and it'll retest the London level.
Okay. So.
It's going to sweep and what it's going to do.
So right here, I'm thinking there's a very good chance we're dropping down around 54.
Order filled. Order
I
submitted.
got 54 and a quarter here. I'll do 54 and I'll do 3 points
Order
and
submitted.
6 points.
Order filled.
There's part of it.
Order
And there's
filled.
the other part. Alright, so we did tap into the 30. This is a zone above. We still haven't tapped into the 50. We got this wick to mitigate down here. So as a whole, this, yeah, so let's see. So this, back here, this wick responsible for this wick responsible for this. So we got a lot of damage to make up top. 15 seconds. Now we just did that. I'm thinking maybe we do come down to the
Order filled.
50%. 50, 75, I'll say 51.
Order submitted.
Oops.
Aggressive sweep here doesn't surprise me, especially like I said.
Order
there's that
submitted.
New York low, and then there's going to be the Asia level 2 at 804.25, I think it is.
Right. And then this is the, yeah. Let's see. Might have to manage this now.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Might be getting some drawdown here. Really shocked we did not. Alright, this is looking bearish, like it's
Order
coming
filled.
back, yeah. Now are we coming back for it?
Order
There
filled.
we go. Alright. So we're 1832, 11. Go ahead.
I was just saying that we're just in a funky spot right here. You got the demand there from that opening candle, and then you got some bearish looks, so it's hard to say what it's going to do right here.
Yeah, but you can see on this, even on this 15 second, we came back, tapped the 30% of the zone above, and continued on down. And this is a huge selling signal here. When you come up, tap the 30, down, sweep that, and then come down again. I mean, my sell, a sell below this 63 would have been great. So, yeah. Alright, so now let's kind of watch this. We did get a closure below here. Are we going to get another closure? Let me remove this. We got 1 second. Yep, we did. So we got another closure, and this is our new wick to really think about. This might sweep the lows.
Yeah, one of my indicators right here show me that we will. We're going to tap to 828 and get a little response there.
Order filled.
828. Shit, I might have to
Order
start using your
submitted.
indicators.
Yeah, I bet AI built me a lot of stuff.
Alright, so I'm thinking at least 34.
Order submitted.
We've already mitigated this wick over here. Still looking bearish,
Order
but we
filled.
are
Order
consolidating, so I'm a little questionable about this.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I definitely sit on my hands at this level.
Yeah.
Even watching the sim, I'm like anxious. What's it going to do?
Order filled. Order submitted.
The only thing we have in our favor is this right here. We did not sweep this over here.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Alright, I need a pull down below.
Order
yes, right there. Now let's see if we come get this 50% now. 9.25.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright, so we mitigated this wick. So if we take out this one's already been mitigated over here.
Order filled.
We're getting kind of a...
Order filled.
That's not the response I wanted.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's go.
Order
Gotta
filled.
take that out. We gotta.
Order
There
filled.
we go. Here we go. Come on down to the 50. I don't want this to double bottom me now. So
Order filled.
let's see if we can grab some more.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get some more.
Order submitted.
That might be it. Didn't quite hit the 50, but we'll see. Let's see. Come on. Alright, I got
Order
it. I
filled.
locked in
Order
that.
canceled.
I think we
Order
are
filled.
now at this point. It's not
Order submitted.
leaving.
Order
Try to
submitted.
get 5 points here. No, try to get 3 points here.
Yeah, we were going back up. I would have expected a strong move after that.
Right.
And then there's Asia right there, like I said, at 80, roughly 804.
Alright, now we got 50% of this.
Order filled.
Alright, let me pause this and kind of see what we got. So we got this is this. We don't have a new closure below that. This is still our line in the sand here. And then on the 15 second, this is. So, and this is kind of bullish looking. I'm not really liking my position right here, but
This candle right here is going to tell me what I like.
got to take out
Yeah,
this.
so I'm looking for, well, these I don't like what I close. We'll be at the same time.
This might. Alright, we got a failure at the wick so far.
Yeah, we're going back to the river.
You-
We're going to test that button level on the river again right now.
You think?
Almost 100%. I just got match your signal right there in 15 seconds.
Damn.
Yep, see, here we go. Go back up, test that line level in the river.
Alright, we did just get a closure above this. So I should be out of this, but I'm going to try to manage it instead.
Keep on going, get up there. Come on.
Yeah, you're nailing that.
There's the next trigger right there. It's going. It's going to go hit London right now. Oh, it reversed that candle. Don't do that to me. I'm going to run an idiot on screen here.
I would just be waiting to get a. This is the low that put in this high. This was this when you talk about stop loss, this was the stop loss. When this closed above this, I definitely should have been out, especially when it came down and took out the high. That's like a huge buy signal. So, but I'm just going to manage this and see what's up. We just swept the lows. We're getting a new closure up above. Now let's see what this does. We're going to get a closure below that.
I want to see that doji on the 15 second. I want to see that
Order filled. Order submitted.
Oh, and it came down in. That's what I wanted.
Order filled.
That's exactly what I wanted, but I couldn't get the target there quick enough. Say that again. What's that?
See how that doji held on that 15-second chart? Those dojis, when you start studying dojis, you'll start to see how powerful those are.
This right here?
You're looking at your 1 minute, or at least the crosshairs I see is on your 1 minute. Over to your,
No. Right here. This on the 15
see
second.
that doji? Yep. Right there. See how that held?
Yeah.
Studying those dojis, you're going to see how powerful those are, because that's where the market, like, it's fighting. The 15 seconds, then we see a response after the doji, like a strong one, like you get that bullish candle right after the doji.
Yeah.
That's what was telling me we were going up.
So that's like what Dave used to call an institutional candle.
Institutional candle, yeah. I mean, for me, just watching those, I mean, again, you get your fight there, and then you get a decision. Like, but it's got to be a clear decision. You don't want to see like a lazy one. You want to see like we fought it out, and the bulls clearly won. And that's why I was saying we're definitely going up to the river.
Order filled. Order filled.
And now London
Order
and the river
filled.
are aligned, so that's like a level that's just got to be done.
Alright, so I'm doing 10 micros.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So this low put in here.
Boom. There it is, London and the river.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so and we got a new high here. So this here. This is looking
Order,
kind of
order
like we're
filled.
coming back into this zone.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright, so we're at 24:30 and we're not 20 minutes in. So this put in this. This put in this. This is looking bearish, like we're coming back into this little mix here, yeah.
Yeah, remember what I was saying about destinations?
Yeah.
That's why it swept, literally swept the London. Well, London was almost perfectly lined up with the river. So you got two levels.
Order filled.
There.
Order submitted.
Let's see what wants to do next.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Sell trigger right there, but I don't know. I would take it right through the screen like that.
Order filled.
It's pausing here, which makes me think we're coming down further. But let's see.
Yeah, now my sell trigger just got reversed, which now becomes the buy trigger.
I don't know.
Again, I wouldn't
Order
trigger this.
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Come get me right here.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Come on. Okay, we're taking this. Got 5 seconds. See if we close above this wick. Right at it.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Oh. No way. Alright, let me see. Where did we go? Oh yeah, we came back, tapped right into the 30. I'm gonna have to manage out of this. Got 50 on this. We got this overlapping candle here.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Yeah, we're getting a new...
You get a strong move on the 15 over the London level, then we're definitely taking the high. Right at London right now.
Yeah, I gotta check out that shit for...
There's that strong move, so let's see how this closes. I don't know if we're on this thing. I think I'm a little ahead of you.
Yeah, here's this low's putting in this new high. Oh, we got 30 seconds to go. But nothing here is showing bearish whatsoever. Alright, this might...
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
This might...
Order submitted.
Did we get a... Oh, we didn't get a closure below it. That was a fake out. I shouldn't... Yeah, that would be... I'd have to close this out if we get a new high here. I need a failure here below. Okay. Yep. That's what I need. But I need more. That's a fake. Yeah, I gotta get used to the 15-second too, because I'm used to going really quick on this. A new high, I would need to get out. And this is a very bullish move. We did this, we swept that. So unless we get a follow through down.
I don't see it.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm gonna have to blow out up here. We just took this 50% on this wick. I gotta have take it. Yeah, I'm out. I'm gonna get stopped out.
Even it's just stuck. This is. I can maybe send you this indicator.
It's got to take this out now. All right, here we go. 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 Come on, you got to take that out now.
Order
There
filled.
we go.
Order canceled.
There we go. Let's see if we come back to this overlapping.
Order submitted.
See if we come back to this overlapping candle down here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. So we got a definitive closure below.
Order filled. Order filled.
tap back in, coming back down.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Come on.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
Got 15 more micros sitting there. This should come down and grab this.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Oh.
Order submitted.
And the reason why it's, let's see, because we took out this high. Oh, that's why, because this overlapping candle is a little bit below 50%.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
This could take off, because it tapped 50%.
Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted.
We'll see, we're at 50% of this wick. The next move would be this little wick.
Order filled.
It's just gonna pop soon, one or the other.
Yeah, it's
Solid pressing. And here we go. It's gonna take off soon.
yeah, it's looking like it might take off up.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Alright, so we're at 30.77 and we're not 30 minutes in. I'm still liking this overlapping candle though.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Need to get one little push down below, sweep that low.
Order filled. Order
There
filled.
we go. Ooh, big move, big spike down. Yeah, I gotta check that out on the, at the very least, I need to mark the session highs and lows.
Yeah, like I said, it'll really change kind of from your perspective on just like what's actually happening. That's why I'm just saying I just treat all these things as destinations. So there's certain ones, you know, I might be saying things right now like, oh, it looks bullish, looks this or that, but like I wouldn't be taking those trades because we've already reached our destination.
Right.
I would just be sitting on my hands for those.
And if you're looking at the 5 minute, I'm still thinking that we might come down to this 860-ish area.
Order filled. Order filled.
We've already mitigated this wick to the left. But then again, this is looking bullish. There we go.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Ooh. We're going to sweep that, definitely. Just swap that. What do we have on the higher time frame? 996.
That 2 candle pattern right there just formed on the 15-second. That's really bullish to me.
Let's see. Yeah, this. It's more bullish to me if it closes above this preceding wick.
Order filled.
This is bullish unless we take out this.
Order
Yeah, I
submitted.
would normally go long after taking a high like that, but like with that setup right there, I would.
Order filled. Order submitted.
I didn't get that. I thought I was getting that. We got 20 something seconds to see if we get a closure above. Yeah, so looking at this, we did eventually, we didn't get the closure here. High 968.50 closure. Yeah, right on the same one. But we did get it here. So this would be the protected low for this high here. We haven't quite taken... Oh, we came back and did mitigate this zone already. So the next move could bring us down here. But this could take off.
Yeah, that two candle pattern right there, you're kind of highlighting with the one with the big upper wick, and the candle to its right on the 15 second. That's my buy trigger, and my stop goes right behind the
Order filled.
See, we've already taken this off. We got this wick to go here at 56.75. We just got 56.75, and now this overlapping candle here at 44.25.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
94.
94?
94, yeah. Well, let's see, right now this is not definitely a good look, but again, my stop is at just below 921.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Not like how it's responding right now, though.
Yeah, I'm thinking this wick, 49.50.
Order filled.
And I'm still thinking this 44.
Order filled.
Yep. So there's that overlapping candle there, and now we're coming back in. What's 30% here? Yeah, 30% right here.
Order filled.
There we go. Boom. So that's 44.60 in 33 minutes. Couple of bad trades I should not have taken, but yeah, as soon as we got this closure below this protected low on a lower time frame, and then you got a big fair value gap, that's something you're looking for possible revisit and come back out.
Which one are you considering protected? The candle you're on right now?
This right here, let me stop this. So this low, we didn't get a new high here. So this low put in this high. This low, we did not get a new closure high here, but this low, you still use this low to count for this one here. So this is the low that put in this high. But then also, if you're looking at this, the last move up, and we got a close below and a tap back in, and you could have played this as we came up and came out the bottom here. I mean, that would have been good for a quick scalp. This would have been a more definitive one with a closure below here. So as soon as we got this closure below here, form this fair value gap, I mean, you could have gone into I probably would have been a little conservative because this would have been the zone for 30, but as soon as it looked like we were getting a close here, you could have played it to 30 at least. Yeah. So, all right. Well, I gotta look at those session highs and lows. But I gotta bail. I gotta get some shit done. But we can do this if you're free. We can do it on every now and then on a weekend or something.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice to just kind of hear what, or see what you're seeing.
Yeah.
Build my own thing with kind of what I see, and then understand what you see, put them both together, and yeah, just tell me, Mark.
Good stuff. All right. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.
Hey, you too.
Yep. See ya.